Okay, guys, so it looks like we were having some problems getting the Microsoft Streams to work for everybody. So I'm just using my own private Screencastify just so you guys can see, and hopefully this will work. So this is my first period class, and just so you guys know what it looks like for all of the teachers, this is our home screen. So my first period, second period, so on and so forth. But for each of my 11th grade classes, this part looks the same. So when you're looking at your home screen, this is the general area. And then there is this class meetings daily. For the first week, all meetings will take place here in the general area. So you will see on the left-hand side, my mouse is sort of swirling around where it says general. And again, this says first period, but it's the same for every class period that I teach 11th grade. Class meetings daily after week 1 will take place here. You'll still see the little video camera pop up, so it should tell you where to go. If you have questions, this is the general classroom area. So you need to think of this as almost like when you're walking into your regular classroom. This is what it looks like. At the top of the screen, you will see where it says Files. Look at the top of the screen, Class Notebook, Assignments, Grades, Flipgrid, and that will change for each class period, period 2, 7, so on and so forth, Padlet, Syllabus Signature Link, and Glass Castle Approval Link. Your job for your homework tonight is twofold. You've got 2 things to do. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to click here for your Flipgrid. And like I said, it's going to look different for each class period. You're going to come down here and you're going to record your responses. So I already have 2 responses. You can look at mine as an example, and there are some questions here if you want to answer those questions, but it's just a 30-second introduction. Who are you? What would you like the rest of the class to know about you? The second thing that you're going to do is you're going to click on the syllabus signature link at the top. You're going to have your parents read the syllabus, which I'm going to show you in a moment, and then they're going to fill out this information. Okay? Now, where are all of the things? Click on at the top where it says Files. This is where I was losing some of you. The admin area, this is just like a filing cabinet at the front of the room. The admin area is here. So here is a syllabus signature link. And if you'd like to, instead of using that button at the top, you can just cut and paste this link into your own browser. To go back, you click on the back button. Unit 1 is here. And if you click on Unit 1, you will see that there's already a Word document, which you don't need to worry about until later on this week. But this is the lesson plan. I will post lesson plans a week in advance. So by Friday of this week, by the end of the day, Friday of this week, I will have posted next week's lesson plans. But if you'd like to see what we're doing for the rest of the week, click here. It'll take a second to load. And then once it loads up, you'll see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. At the top, you'll see the dates. And then it says 11th AmLit Weekly because you guys are in 11th grade and this is American literature. Here are all of the different buttons for the different things that we're doing this week. So the Glass Castle, the novel that we are reading, the PDF version of it's actually linked right here. So at any point in time during class, if you'd like to, you can actually go ahead and start reading the novel. Because again, the goal is not that we sit here and lecture to you guys for 45 or 55 minutes every day. The goal is that we give you some direct instruction, we give you some tools, and then you actually go and do those things. So again, I'm going to click the back button. It's going to take me to the Files area. And if I go back to Posts, this is our general classroom. Okay? So you will see here we have our general meeting, and these will be recorded as necessary. This is supposed to work for you guys, but I was just someone just let me know that it wasn't working for them. That's why I'm recording this. Okay. Again, the majority of the things that you need to pay attention to are up at the top. Padlet is here, by the way. We will be working with that later on this week. Don't worry about it for right now, but it's there. If you haven't already done so, I strongly urge you to download Microsoft Teams to your phone. I think that's a really good thing to do. And I think that that's probably going to be it for us as far as what it is that you need to know just for today. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the recording, and I'm going to upload this to all of my students.